Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Zapier with Wix. So first step you need to do is to open Zapier and click on this plus create and click on Zaps automated workflow. Okay, so once you are here you can see trigger, click on that, and here you need to search for Wix. Okay, select that, and here you can see setup. So first you are here, you can select the trigger event. So I want to add Gmail. Okay, and then you need to connect Gmail and click on sign in, and after that, once it is completed, to continue choose an event. You can choose an event that is what it triggers create label. So sign in. Once you done that, it will be configured and you can test that. So that's it. So this is the process how you can integrate Zapier with Wix. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.